Good morning, STO students. Today you're going to start a project to use me gusta and no me gusta another way. You already know how to say things like me gusta comer pizza, no me gusta tomar café, and ask the question, ¿te gusta comer tacos? Today you're going to make a video and you're going to tell us about what you like to do, what you don't like to do, and then ask some questions. Step 1. You're going to make a list of 10 things you like to do. Grab a sheet of paper and write down 10 verbs. These are action words of things you like to do. Here are some examples. You like to listen to music, to play video games, to walk, to draw, to cook, or to sleep. Notice they all begin with the word to. Now stop the video and write your list on a sheet of paper. When you're done, restart the video. Next step, make a list of 10 things you don't like to do. So on your sheet of paper, you're going to write down 10 more verbs or action words of things you don't like to do. Some examples: you don't like to wash the dishes, to do homework, to listen to my brother, to sing, to cut the grass, or to wake up early. Notice again, they all begin with the word to. Stop the video and write your list down on your sheet of paper.